Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show how to change Facebook password. If you feel or have any doubts that someone is using Facebook account, then you need to change the password immediately. Let me show you how to change the password. So before starting the trick, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech updates. Okay, come to the menu, scroll down and click on setting and privacy. Here scroll down, click on change your password. Okay, now here you put your current password on the first blank. On second blank you have to put your new password. Now retype your new password on third blank. Then click on save changes. Now here you have to select review other devices. Tap on continue. Click on logout of all sessions. Tap on logout. Your password is successfully updated. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and comment.